Welcome to plan design. We will see this wonderful, amazing floor plan design, ground floor and this first floor. You can see here lift, stair, services and backside stair for first floor and roof floor also. Everything arranged in very much proper and accurate way. So we will see this one by one. This is our ground floor and this is our ground floor. Just we have guest room only and all service room, family room, kitchen, dining, store and full hall, wide majlis area, wide dining. So this we will see one by one. So we will start this from here. So this is our entrance porch. You can see number of 2 column this side and this side. This is for design purpose. Then we are entering here. This is main entrance. All unit in centimeter. This 570 by 460 main entrance. And left side, if you are see, we are getting this side. Our majlis area, big hall, 600 centimeter by 1000 centimeter. This side and this 1520 centimeter. This wide length. And this is 600 centimeter this side. This is attached. You can access through this. This is washroom and this is toilet. After that, this dining 600 by 900 centimeter. This kitchen attached 600 by 500 centimeter. So we will see our main hall. So this is our main hall 1370 by 900 and this side also 900. You can see this wonderful circular stair design, very unique and wonderful design. And this side you see, this is our lobby and this side our access like laundry room, iron room, store room, servant room, attached toilet, everything arranged. We will see this one by one. 380 by 370 this servant room and this 250 by 150 attached toilet. This side 220 laundry, 220 iron room. Here small store 330 by 200 centimeter. You can see here back side also entrance 150. So we can access from back side also. In kitchen two door provided, this side access and we can access in dining from this door. So this is our lift for first floor. You can provide here lift also 200 by 180 centimeter. We will see this side. This side our store 470 by 600 centimeter and this is family room 600 by 650. This is our arch, open arch, and this is our washroom and toilet area. Then we are getting here 750 by 600 centimeter guest room. In front you can see here, this in front we have guest room 345, 120, 135, 600 by 750. And this is our attached bathroom 300 by 230. This dress area. So this ground floor plan, this completely functional and very much proper. So you can see here. Now we will see first floor plan. So we are reaching here from ground to first floor or through lift also we can access. So we will see this from corner here. This is 600 by 570 bedroom 1 and this is dress area and bathroom 220 by 300 centimeter and dress area 280 by 220 centimeter. This bedroom 1. This side small living. We can place our small sofa or small chair. This is bedroom 2 570 by 600 centimeter and this is dress and bathroom attached 230 by 600 centimeter overall. This is bedroom 2 and we will see. So this side you can see here we have a store here and this is lobby to access this area. So this is small living again here 600 by 330. Then we are accessing bedroom 3. Bedroom 3 570 by 600 centimeter and this 230 same attached bathroom, everything same. We will see this bedroom 4 600 by 570. So from this entrance you can access this bedroom also and you can access this bedroom also. So this attached bathroom this side 300 by 200 centimeter and 280 by 200 centimeter. This is arch. Arch means open arch. We are not provided window door here. So this is wide family living 620 by 1000 centimeter and we are getting this side. This sitting room 570 by 480 centimeter. This is our terrace. This is our small balcony, sliding door. Then this side we have very wide master bedroom, 1000 centimeter by 600 centimeter, and this is wide lobby and dress area. You can see very wide dress area, 390 by 500 centimeter, and same here bathroom like jacuzzi, sauna, shower tray, everything arranged in very much proper way. So this very wide bathroom, 600 by 380 centimeter. So this ground floor and first floor plan. So you can see here number of 5 bedroom, wonderful amazing 5 bedroom first floor, and number of 2 bedroom, 1 family room and 1 guest bedroom ground floor. You can see here we have arranged everything very much proper way. I will see here one by one wherever our door and window located. So you can see here this is door. Every door must have given 200 centimeter, minimum 152, maximum 200 centimeter. So you can see here this we are entering. This side also we are getting window. This outer part you can see this is our design purpose for elevation purpose, and this side also we are getting window for majlis, and this side we are getting again, and the dining 3 side we are getting window. Keep in mind this is covering in boundary. This house plan is covering in boundary. This kitchen without frame and all window given for exhaust like iron, laundry, toilet. Then this maid room we have given again this wonderful design window. This is store for exhaust purpose, and this family room we have given this curtain window. It will go continuous up to first floor, and this side also you can see here we have provided in very much proper way. And this guest room, this side window. You see this small design for the outer elevation purpose. So this circular column like this. So you can see here this plan like this. I hope you got this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.